So I wanted to give a quick set of appreciation to Everlast Epoxy for the floor that they donated for our veterans program. This is our commercial kitchen in which we teach and produce food to be able to utilize the products coming off of our farm to be able to feed and instruct veterans into high quality food production. Thank you much to Everlast Epoxy. I have to say, this floor is bomb-proof. We couldn't have asked for a better floor for the public health department to come in and inspect and know that we're never going to have to mess with any issue with the floor whatsoever in the future. And we'll be able to tolerate all of the rolling of tables, mopping a floor, sometimes dragging in mud, and wanted to just again, express our appreciation at the quality. Love that this color hides anything that we might need to hide when we walk mud in from the garden. And just wanted to give a quick demonstration or view of the quality of what the product is. Thank you much.